Hi guys, today I will explain how to add BEP20 to Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage of Trust Wallet, and if I scroll down, you will see multiple cryptos, which are added in my Trust Wallet. But in this list, you cannot find the option of BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. So how can we add it? For adding, scroll down to the last, and you can see the option of Manage Crypto. Click on it, and all the available currencies will be here. You can add these by searching them by their name. Click on the option search, and here, enter the name USDT, and here you will see multiple crypto. So be careful when adding it, because if you add a wrong one, then you will not get any tokens from that currency. Like we want to add BNB Smart Chain. So here you can see the option of USDT BNB Smart Chain. Click here and enable it. Now let's go back and let me show. Once you see, click on the option to be in BNB Smart Chain. The next thing is you have to tap on the option Send. Now here what you have to do, you have to enter the address or domain name to where you want to withdraw. Like I have my Binance account, so I will minimize it and will open my Binance. Now it's open, and on the right top you can see the option of Quick Fund or Add Fund, both are same, so click on one of these, and on the last you can see the option of Deposit Crypto. Just click on it. In the search bar you have to search for USDT. Once you see click on it, here you have to select the second option, Smart Chain. Simply copy the deposit address. Once you do, minimize it and open your Trust Wallet, and here paste the address. The next thing is enter the amount of USDT which you want to withdraw. Once you do, the next option will be enabled, and by clicking on it, you will withdraw it to your Binance. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.